All right, first thing we're going to do here is we're going to put our onions in a pot and saute them in some butter, and then we're going to add some garlic. So we'll get that in there, and now our garlic is freeze dried, so it's going to rehydrate while it's cooking. And we're going to add some chicken broth. All right, all that's come to a boil. Now we're going to add some shredded carrots in here. And we're going to add some of our dehydrated broccoli in there. And we'll get this kind of cooked up and rehydrated. All that's hydrated up and cooked. Now we're going to add some cream. Couldn't be cream of broccoli soup without cream. Now we'll cook this a little bit. Now we're going to add some flour. I'll take and mix it in with a little bit of water, that way it won't clump up in your soup. And we're going to salt it and pepper it to taste. And we're going to take and add some cheese in here. Get this stirred up. Shredded up cheese. And then we're going to let this cook up, and then we'll see how it tastes. Make sure we've got it as thick as we like it once that flour has time to activate and thicken it up. All right, it looks like it's done, and it's really delicious. And let's go over this recipe. Now we're using a half a stick of butter, a half of a medium onion chopped up. Want 3 cloves of garlic chopped up. We're going to use, and it can vary, depends on how much you need to thicken it. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of flour. We're using 4 cups of chicken broth, and salt and pepper to taste. And then we're using a couple of large carrots shredded up, 2 cups of heavy cream, and we're using 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. And we're using a cup of freeze-dried broccoli powder. So if you want to make you up some cream of broccoli soup using some of that broccoli you stored from the freeze dryer, then this is an excellent recipe for that. And if you'd like to see more recipes, just let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've got your own recipe for cream of broccoli soup. And of course, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share it. Happy gardening.